ballin' like Braids. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hopping the jacks. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. Now today, I'm gonna be getting a haircut after 2 months. Now I ain't gonna lie, I am looking kind of rusty as you can see. I got a lot of hair growing into my tapered hairline and I got a lot of new growth growing in. But we not gonna panic, my nigga. We not gonna panic. We about to get this tapered hairline. I'm gonna get the front trimmed down a little bit so it can still be dark. You can make the sides as light as you want. The reason why is because it's not the front of your hairline. Now when it comes to the front, make sure you tell him, bro, I want to shave it down but not too much, cause some niggas will taper your hairline and they'll take all this shit off. You won't fuck around and have a baldy in the front. But my barber should be here in about 5 minutes and I'm gonna show y'all the ending result, so stay tuned. Get it! And this is the final result. I ain't gonna lie, my nigga, I'm looking kind of crispy right now. Bro, it's been months since I had a haircut, bro. You see how in the front it's shaved down, but it's still dark that you can still see the hairline? And you see how the sides is tapered down, but it's not too light? This is exactly how your tapered lineup should look. If you have any questions, video suggestions, leave a comment down below. Yes, I read my comments and I reply. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, hope you guys enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you guys learned from it. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. And I'm out, bro. Gang!